turn off the exhaust? Try nga natin. Bakit yung exhaust yung nag-a-adjust? Shems! May serve it's supposed to be like this.
Ano yan? Naptalin? Tol yun pala.
It looks like Meralco Power Station.
Oh wow, daming ano ah. Hindi kami nagkaroon ng ganyan ah.
Exhaust.
Oh, you didn't turn it on?
No. Mamaya na yan. Wala kayong mo-connect ng food. Turn it off. We will collect it later when there's another company. Wait a minute.
Sam? Nasaan yung papel?
Ano ito?
So hindi ka kailangan bukas?
You will just watch it for it.
Sayang kung wala na ako. Like,
Kasi hindi ako sa inyo. Habang ginawa wala yung kalabas.
my God, sakit sa ilong. Okay, haha.
Wala na.
Ako, I'll try to light. Can I light?